Hey beautiful souls! Welcome back to Natural Lifestyles TV, your mini-series where we shine a light on nature's most powerful foods. I'm here to guide you through 5 incredible superfoods that not only taste amazing but also nurture your body, mind, and spirit. Think of this as your weekly dose of wellness wisdom, served with warmth, clarity, and a sprinkle of playful energy. So, grab your favorite mug of tea, settle in, and let's dive into the goodness. First up, the superstar of brunch plates everywhere, the avocado. Smooth, creamy, and oh so versatile. But beyond the Instagram-worthy toast, avocados are packed with heart-healthy fats, fiber, and vitamins like potassium and vitamin E. Here's the magic: those healthy fats help keep you satisfied longer, support glowing skin, and give your brain the fuel it loves. Think of avocado as nature's butter, except it's nourishing instead of processed. Mash it with a squeeze of lime and a pinch of salt for a quick mood-lifting snack. Or toss slices into your smoothie for that velvety texture. Avocado reminds us that wellness doesn't have to be complicated, it can be as simple as spreading joy on toast. Next, let's talk about turmeric, the golden spice that has been treasured for centuries. Its vibrant color isn't just pretty, it comes from curcumin, a compound known for supporting healthy inflammation responses. Turmeric is like sunshine in spice form. Add it to soups, curries, or even warm milk for a soothing golden latte. Pair it with black pepper to boost absorption, because even superfoods love a good partner. Think of turmeric as your body's gentle cheerleader, reminding your joints and muscles to stay flexible and happy. It's a reminder that small daily rituals, like sprinkling turmeric into your cooking, can add up to big wellness wins. Now, let's spotlight Moringa, often called the miracle tree. Its leaves are bursting with nutrients, vitamin C, calcium, iron, and protein. In many cultures, Moringa is cherished as a natural powerhouse for energy and vitality. Imagine a green powder that can be stirred into smoothies, soups, or even sprinkled over rice. That's Moringa. It's earthy, grounding, and deeply nourishing. Try Moringa tea in the afternoon instead of coffee. It's a gentle pick-me-up without the jitters. Moringa teaches us that wellness can be rooted in tradition, passed down through generations, and still relevant today. Fourth on our list is ginger, the zesty root that wakes up your taste buds and your body. Ginger has been celebrated for centuries for its soothing properties, especially for digestion and circulation. Think of ginger as your fiery friend, warming, energizing, and always ready to add a kick. Slice it into hot water for a calming tea, grate it into stir-fries, or blend it into smoothies for that zing. Ginger shots are a quick burst of spice that make you feel alive and ready to take on the day. Ginger reminds us that sometimes wellness is about adding a little spice to life, literally and figuratively. And finally, let's indulge in cacao, the pure form of chocolate before sugar and processing take over. Cacao is rich in antioxidants, magnesium, and compounds that can lift your mood. This isn't candy, it's nature's way of saying, here's a little joy for your heart. Stir raw cacao powder into your morning smoothie or make a warm cacao drink with plant milk and a touch of cinnamon. It's comfort in a cup, but with benefits that support your body. Cacao reminds us that pleasure and wellness can go hand in hand. You don't have to choose between joy and health, you can have both. So, there you have it, 5 incredible superfoods: avocado, turmeric, moringa, ginger, and cacao. Each one brings its own unique flavor, energy, and healing touch. Together, they show us that nature has already given us the tools to thrive. Wellness isn't about perfection, it's about small, joyful choices that add up over time. Whether it's spreading avocado on toast, sipping turmeric tea, brewing moringa leaves, savoring ginger spice, or indulging in cacao bliss, you're nourishing yourself in ways that ripple through your whole life. Thank you for joining me in this Natural Lifestyles TV journey. If this episode sparked your curiosity or made you smile, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with a friend who loves natural wellness, and subscribe for more uplifting content. And here's my gentle challenge for you: pick one of these superfoods this week and invite it into your daily routine. Notice how it makes you feel: energized, grounded, joyful. Share your experience in the comments, I'd love to hear your story. Remember, wellness isn't about doing everything at once, It's about embracing one nourishing step at a time. You've got this, and nature's got your back. Until next time, keep shining, keep smiling, and keep celebrating the simple, powerful gifts of nature. This is Natural Lifestyles TV, signing off with love and clarity. See you in the next episode.